All right, welcome back. So, we are going to bring other elements, the social media icons that we're going to use. So, we have put some social media icons here, the Facebook and Instagram icons. We have the logo here. So, we are going to put web icon, Gmail icon, and phone call icon. Okay, so head over here. I would mark the icons I want to use. Okay, so these three icons. So I'll drag them to Photoshop. All right, so I will reduce the sizes. I think this is okay. So I'll have to place it very well. Okay, so all right, so I'll reduce the other these other ones. This is the Gmail icon. Okay, then we have the web icon. All right, so we have this. So I'll have to reduce the size of this Gmail icon. Control T on it. Click on it. Control T. Okay, so I'll reduce it so it would all be almost the same sizes with this other icon. Okay, so I would try and centralize it. Okay, so let me use a ruler. Bring in a ruler here. Right, I think this is okay. Sorry. Click on my WhatsApp icon here. All right, so this is okay. So let me copy this text here. Hold down my Alt and duplicate it. All right, so double click on it to edit it. The web address is www.allotechdesigns.hub.com. Okay, that's the web address. So place it somewhere here. Then I'll duplicate it over here. Then the Gmail address is info at allotechdesignshub.com. Okay, and also I'll duplicate again for the phone number. Remember how I duplicate? I'll hold down my Alt key while hovering around what I want to duplicate, and you can see that two arrows that will pop up. Then when it pops up, you will left click and drag. Okay, so I'll double click on this and input the number 0706363753823. Okay, So I want the number to be more visible. So Control T, and I'll increase the size. Okay, I hope this is clear. All right, so we have this. We are done with our design. So I will have to add a color lookup to this. Okay, add a color lookup to this. Click on my adjustments. Click on, first of all, should I increase? Okay, click on my color lookup, then come over here. Click on soft warm look. Is it better this way? No, I don't like this. Candlelight cube. Okay, so I'm going to use a candlelight cube. So come over here. Reduce the opacity to around 25. Okay. Then also I'll now click on Control Alternate Shift E to screenshot my design. Okay. Then I'll come to filter, come to camera raw filter. Then I'll increase the sharpness to around 40, to around 50. Okay. All right. I come to basic sharpness. You get your when you get to details, increase the sharpness. You come to basic. Just touch this exposure, change it to 0.5, 0.05, contrast to around 5. So this is just depending on your tastes. Okay. Touch the texture, reduce it to around 9, clarity around 9 or so, 10, vibrance around 6. Okay. You can see if I close it off, you can see the difference. It's your camera raw filter adds more, it increases the quality of your design. Okay, so when you are done, click on Control Save. You save your work. So this is Happy New Month flyer. Save to Photoshop. Then you head over here, come to export as. Okay, change the quality to great. Your own might show 100, you increase it to 100. Okay, change this to sample to bicubic sharpener. Then you click on export, and you choose where you want to export your file to. All right, so let me know where I'm exporting it to. New month design. Okay, so I'll save. So it has been exported to my. All right, so thank you. See you in our next module. In our next module, we'll be designing something very unique. Okay, but before then, I would also show you how to install fonts. I think I've showed you how to install fonts. So no, I would send in some fonts to you, okay, so that you install on your Photoshop. All right, see you in our next module. Thank you.